Welcome back. Today we are going to take a deep dive into one of the most unique and specialized jets in the United States Navy, the EA-18 Growler. This aircraft is not just about speed or firepower like traditional fighters, but about something far more advanced, electronic warfare. Built on the frame of the highly capable F/A-18F Super Hornet, the Growler has been specifically designed to dominate the skies by suppressing enemy radars, communications, and electronic defenses. In modern warfare, this role is just as important as dropping bombs or launching missiles. Without aircraft like the Growler, American forces would face a much higher risk in contested airspace. The EA-18 Growler first entered service in 2009, replacing the older EA-6B Prowler. Its design is a perfect balance between combat capability and advanced electronic warfare systems. On the outside, it may look similar to a regular Super Hornet, but under the skin, it is a completely different beast. Instead of carrying a full load of weapons, much of its space is dedicated to advanced jamming pods, sensors, and communication systems that give the US military an invisible shield in the air. When it comes to performance, the Growler is no slouch. It is powered by two General Electric F414 D400 turbofan engines, each generating around 22,000 pounds of thrust. This allows the aircraft to reach speeds of over Mach 1.8, which is around 1,190 miles per hour, and gives it a combat range of approximately 1,275 nautical miles without refueling. Despite being packed with heavy electronic gear, it can still keep up with fighter jets in speed and maneuverability. That means it can escort strike packages, fly in formation with fighters, and still carry out its electronic warfare mission without slowing the group down. One of the most important features of the EA-18 Growler is its ability to carry and operate ALQ-99 jamming pods. These pods disrupt enemy radar and communication frequencies, making it extremely difficult for opposing forces to track or target American aircraft. The Growler can also carry AGM-88 HARM missiles, which are designed to hunt down and destroy enemy radar installations. So, while its primary mission is electronic warfare, it still carries the teeth to directly strike enemy defenses if needed. This mix of jamming and offensive capability makes it one of the most versatile electronic warfare aircraft in the world. Now, let's talk about cost. Building and operating such an advanced aircraft does not come cheap. The unit cost of an EA-18 Growler is estimated at around $125 million, depending on configuration and upgrades. That is significantly more than a standard Super Hornet, which usually costs closer to $70 million. But when you factor in the specialized systems, the investment makes sense. For the United States Navy, the Growler is not just a fighter jet, it is a force multiplier. By protecting entire strike groups and keeping enemy defenses blinded, one Growler can dramatically increase the survival chances of dozens of other aircraft. Operational costs are also high, with estimates running into tens of thousands of dollars per flight hour. This includes fuel, maintenance, and the replacement of expensive electronic warfare equipment. However, in modern conflicts, electronic dominance often decides the outcome long before ground forces even engage. In that sense, the Growler is worth every penny. The United States has stationed Growlers in several key bases around the world, including Japan and Europe, ensuring quick response times in case of conflict. They have been deployed in combat missions over Iraq, Syria, and Libya, where they successfully suppressed enemy air defenses and cleared the skies for coalition aircraft. Every time a Growler takes off, it carries the responsibility of shielding an entire strike force, and so far, it has lived up to its reputation. What really makes the EA-18 Growler stand out is its combination of stealthy tactics and brute electronic power. Unlike stealth aircraft such as the F-35 or B-2, which avoid detection, the Growler actively engages and jams enemy systems. It is like walking into a dark room and turning off the enemy's flashlight while you move freely. That ability ensures that American pilots can operate with unmatched confidence. To sum it all up, the EA-18 Growler is not the kind of jet that makes headlines for flashy dogfights or record-breaking speeds, but in the background, it is one of the most critical assets of the US military. Without it, even the most advanced fighters would be vulnerable. With it, entire missions become possible. It is expensive, powerful, and highly specialized, but its role in modern warfare cannot be overstated. The Growler ensures that American forces hold the advantage in the invisible electronic battlefield, and that makes it one of the most valuable jets in the skies today.